AI is not only for the life-threatening stuff, but it's transforming the everyday things like going to the dentist. I know you don't like it. I don't like it either, but AI is coming to our help. A new AI model using convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, it's one of the important piece of technology that's used in AI, is now matching dentists in diagnosing oral conditions from basic photos. So again, we're talking about diagnosis here. So plaque, gingivitis, cavities, it saw them with 81.11% accuracy. So 80 plus percent accuracy, just for short, let's say that. Compare that to the average dentist at 82%. That's basically even. So we're not talking about outmatching the dentist here, but matching the dentist on the diagnosis with respect to plaque, gingivitis, and cavities. And with a push toward telehealth, this kind of a tool could revolutionize dentistry in underserved areas, allowing consistent early diagnosis through just a smartphone photo. So see how cost effective this could be, where lots of rural areas, lots of areas do not have the health coverage, or the trained physicians, trained health tech professionals are not available. But if they could, in this case, if they could just upload the photo, however it is taken, however it has to be taken, and this particular technology can diagnose plaque, gingivitis, cavities as the first line of defense. Just your diagnosis is there, and then you can take care of it, because now you don't have to go. It's using telehealth. So now you have the diagnosis.